If you're looking for a loaded out heavy duty pickup truck, I mean, this is a 2020 Ram 3/4 ton. It's a 2500, and it is the limited. And yes, it's got the legendary 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. Power running boards will greet you and help you into this big rig as you climb up in and get wrapped in the black leather. It's just beautiful. These seats are heated and cooled, and check out the piping and the stitching on them. Such a nice, classy look. There's the layout on the dash. You see the big limited badge on the passenger side. Just under 100,000 miles, 99.7 as of this video. There's all your steering wheel controls. This has gear shift limiting buttons right on the steering wheel. Huge 12-inch screen, Uconnect. We got Joy FM playing there. Of course, it's got satellite radio and all that built in, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, some stitching there. Check that out. Cup holders, and that even slides to give you a giant storage. So you can put like your 1 gallon of water in there. There's your factory navigation, and of course it's going to have a backup camera too. Stepping into the back, it's a crew cab truck. It's going to be huge. No surprise there. And even under the floor, on those floor mats, a little bit of storage under there. Some power ports for the rear seat occupants. And there's some storage, like I was mentioning. Flat floor, so you can load up a big cooler in there. And stepping into the back, this thing is set up really nicely for this summer. It's got a bed liner, of course, and this thing is pre-drilled for the fifth wheel or the gooseneck setup. Come check this thing out, Next Level in Hillsboro.